What if your Arduino could feel the rain before your electronics get damaged? Hi, I am Ryan, and today I'll show you how to build a smart raindrop detection system using Arduino UNO, a raindrop sensor, an LED, and PictoBlox for programming. In this project, the raindrop sensor sends an analog value to Arduino. When there is no water, the value stays high, but the moment rain touches the sensor, the value drops. In PictoBlox, I used a simple condition: if the analog value becomes less than 800, the LED automatically turns on. Otherwise, the LED remains off. Now let's test it. No rain, the LED is off. But when I add water on the sensor, boom, the LED turns on instantly, showing that rain has been detected. This small project represents a big idea. The same logic can be used in smart windows, weather stations, crop protection systems, smart cities, and IoT rain alert systems. With just one sensor and one condition, you can create an intelligent system. If you think electronics is difficult, remember this: simple logic creates smart technology. If you enjoyed this project, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment, rain, if you want a full circuit diagram and PictoBlox code. See you in the next Smart Arduino project.